Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pedro. As you all know that we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash index and step index. So as we can see, this is boom 300 on 5 minute time frames, and we have our well powerful indicator installed on it. So we are going to check the review of this indicator on our boom 300 and our boom and our crash 300. So let's first see what has happened in boom 300. As you can see currently now on the chart, we are having our downtrend. You can see what the market is doing. This particular arrow appear at this particular area. That is our signal. It appear at this particular area, and our market is going along with it, and they tell us that we are having a downtrend. So at this particular area now, the downtrend will continue, and we are going to take our profit when this particular green line that we see here reach our resistance level. When it reach our resistance level, that may be our take profit one, and you might decide to go all in it for long period until you see the green line that appear, the green and the next signal that appear. So you can decide to go like that also, but for me to catch up my entry at early time is when I see this particular green line reaching my resistance level, and this thick red line is my support level. So let's see how well it has gone so far since yesterday. And we can see that our yesterday trade starting from somewhere around this particular area, which happened to be on the 5th of this month at this particular area. You can see what the market do. Although we have a trend that is coming from uptrend at this particular area, which later end at this particular area, and that will be a massive uptrend on this particular trend. You can see how it goes, and also we can see that immediately it ends at this particular area, we have another ultimate signal out here that shows to us that we have a downtrend movement. We have a downward movement. So we can see our take profit level is when this particular green line, when it reach our level at this particular area. You can see, you can decide to take profits 1 year, or you wait for it to also go until you have another upward signal at this particular area. You can see, so this is the another level here. This is another TP again. We have up to like 3 TP there. This is the first TP, the second TP, and this is the third TP before the market reverse a little bit. And also we can see that after that, since that same yesterday, we have another signal at this particular area, which showed to us that this market is going on a massive uptrend. You can see what happened here. It go all in for a massive uptrend. You can see from this particular area, the market go skyrocket up to this particular area, and this particular trend here might be our take profit level. And before we starting waiting for the next signal to appear, and you can see the next signal appear here, and it only few candlesticks, then reverse little back, and give us another accurate signal again. Then we are all in again. We go for uptrend. Our take profit level is from this particular level, and now currently we are having our massive trade to be on the charts currently. You can see what happened here. So this indicator is very massive and it's very accurate. So one of the best thing that you can do yourself is to have this indicator and use this to support your day-to-day trading ability every day. So this indicator have proved to us and many people that it's working perfectly. So this is crash 300 on 5-minute time frames. Let's see how it goes also on these 5-minute time frames. So we are going to start on 5 of yesterday. What has happened since on 5 of yesterday? We can see that our 5 of yesterday started from this particular area, and which happens to be our movement at this particular area. But on fall of this month, we have a movement that is coming down, which is the downtrend from this particular moment, and we can see it's keep on moving on a downtrend up to this particular moment, up to on 5 of yesterday. And we can see that the trend still continue in the early hour of 5 yesterday, and it go up to this particular below, it go or it end at this particular area yesterday, and it give us another signal yesterday, which is an uptrend up to this moment. And you can see what the market did. The market still go on a massive uptrend up to this particular moment. You can see it has been so massive and very accurate. So now, as you can see, at early today now, which is early today of on 6, we can see that the markets give us a signal for a downtrend at this particular area, which showed to us that we have a downtrend massively, guys. So this is it. So we are waiting for what this market will do for us. But if I'm into this particular trade, I will have earned my take profit level from this particular area, because I can see that my green 9 here have reached my resistance level, and I will have been out of this market. But you might decide to wait a little bit longer to see what the outcome will be, and before you have that depends on the risk you want to take in the market. So this indicator is very perfect, and it has been working, proving a lot of things. You can see the market is still going on towards the downtrend to meet our resistance level. So to get this indicator is very simple. All what you need to do is to reach us, is to message me, and we are going to discuss on how you can get this indicator. And also you can also decide to message me on my Telegram group. I have a Telegram group that you can join for updates on all these step index and step and boom and crash index. So kindly join my Telegram group, and you can also get access to me to get this particular indicator. Thanks. See you guys in our next video.